how human beings react with a point cloud or react with 3D, and how you can help people retain information and view it, because we're hardwired to think in 3D, but we convert our world to 2D, and also our brains are much more interested in working in a 2D at a fixed horizon rather than flying like an eagle above our city and zooming around. If you study it and you look at it, people get very bored and lose attention after less than a minute of looking at a point cloud, because the brain isn't wired to think in that way.
No,
However,
no, absolutely. Yeah.
if you use what I call the gravity button, so you slap it down, make a mesh on the floor, put people's eye line at 1.7 meters, then have a way of negotiating on floor level, people retain that information and understand it much more than flying around a point cloud. It's great to have, the Himalayas or your oil refinery or your oil platform or your hotel or hospital, whatever it might be, in a cloud. But I always say is, if I asked you where you've left your car keys, what you do is you recreate a 3D map in your head and you walk through your house to pick it up. What you don't do is zoom up into the air like Superman, fly around, spin things around, then use your X-ray views to look into the room. That's not how our brains work. So why do we build digital twins? And the first thing we do is grab them and spin them around. I call it the God view. But the God view is great to show how pretty it is in the boardroom, but it's next to useless in being used in human interaction.